Hi, I'm Kevin Swenson. I've been an attorney for 31 years. What I really love about helping people in personal injury claims is getting them fair compensation. The insurance companies are so big, so powerful, and if somebody's not represented well or tries to represent themselves, the insurance companies just bully them, push them around, and take advantage of them. When somebody contacts us about a trucking case, it's a stressful time. One of the things that we can do to lower that stress is jump in quickly and hit the ground, get the information we need to, and start really working the case from day one. And that's important because the evidence goes away quickly. So we want to get out to the scene, we want to look at the trucks, we want to find out what equipment's on the truck. You know, a lot of trucks have dash cams or have different kind of GPS systems, have tracking systems. We want to make sure we know what's there and get that information before it goes away or before it goes somewhere. And also the insurance companies, they know when those crashes happen and they'll have people on the site almost immediately. And you don't want to give them an unfair advantage of getting information that you don't have. So what we can do to really reduce the stress is get out there, work the case, and make sure that our clients are protected, that the information is preserved, and that we're gathering as much information as we can, as early as we can, and let them focus on getting their medical treatment and taking care of themselves physically. So if someone is involved in a trucking case, this is an area where you do need to contact an attorney pretty quickly. If you're in a car crash case, there's some time and stuff doesn't change as quickly. But in a trucking case, because of the regulations, because of the information that's on those trucks, we need to get involved quickly. And it's important that they contact somebody who's dealt with trucking. It's just a whole different world than a car crash. And so if you're treating it as a car crash case with bigger injuries, you're going to miss an awful lot of stuff. One of the things that our firm spends a lot of time on is trucking education, making sure that we're up to date. We get the regulations every quarter that come out dealing with trucking. I've been board certified by the National Board of Trial Advocacy in trucking crash cases. I'm a member of the ATAA and one of their board members. That's one of the largest attorney organizations for attorneys who deal with commercial motor vehicle crashes. So we spend a lot of time with education, making sure we're up to speed on new technology that's coming out, new information that's on trucks, new regulations, what defense attorneys are saying. We monitor that. So we make sure that we're prepared when we get a call to jump on it immediately, that we have the information to get out and know what we need and what we need to do.